Black's objective here is to make a living shape. So black needs to address this cutting point. If it plays here, then you might think white can push, black blocks, and this will be a living shape, like this. But the problem is that number 2 doesn't have to push. White can kill black by simply playing here, limiting black's eye space. And black will not be able to make 2 eyes, no matter how it tries, after 1 and 2. So the first correct move is this one. If white comes in like this, then black's eye space is actually pretty big. Similarly, white cannot succeed this way, right? So this shape guarantees 1 real eye. White cannot come in and crawl on the first line like this. All of these white stones will die. So number 1 can guarantee black success. Number 1 right here can also guarantee black success, like this. Or if white plays here, then black can play something like number 3, and this will be a living shape. White comes in like this, black can play this, and this will still be a living shape. If white plays from this side, then black can Atari, and then white has to come in here, but black can make an extra eye here. So number 1 here can also guarantee black success. Now let's see a couple row moves. If black plays here, then white can start this ko very easily, and that's not the best answer for black. If black plays here, then white needs to be really careful. If white plays something like this, black can live this way. If white plays here, then black can play this. This will also guarantee black's survival. So white's correct move is right here. It's not very easy to find. If black plays this, then white can catch these 2 stones in a connect and die, and black will not have enough eye space now. If black plays here, white can still stand down here and make sure that this eye is a fake eye. If black stands down here, white can cut and play this move, and now black will be dead. And if black plays here, white can still play this move. It'll be something like this. So overall, there are only 2 correct moves, this tiger's mouth and this standing down. Of course, black's eye space here is relatively big, and there can be many more variations. Feel free to try those on your own and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck and thank you for watching.